Now, what if I said you could earn 600 for absolutely free with this one single app, and it's available for both Android and iOS? In this video, I will be showing you 3 different apps that you can use to make money online. So make sure to watch until the end and watch each and every second of this video, because I will be dropping some secret tips and tricks to maybe double or even triple your online income. But before we start, hey guys, and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make a passive income every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video about how to make money online, you'll be one of the few first to be notified. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First, I'm going to show you guys 2 different apps, and they're going to pay you to just install them on your phone, so you can maximize your results and make as much money as you can using these 3 apps. Now the first 2 apps are just going to help you make passive income for absolutely free, because like I said earlier, you just have to install them on your phone. Now, as a quick disclaimer, the amount of money that you will earn from using the method in this video will vary. Sometimes you will earn a lot and sometimes you will earn a few dollars, so make sure to watch each and every second of the video so that you can maximize your earnings. The first app we are going to be using is Money SMS. Now you guys can very quickly head on over to Money SMS by clicking on the address bar of your web browser and typing in moneysmsapp.com. Now, Money SMS is a free app you can use to make money online automatically by receiving text messages generated by the system and customers. You just need to install this on your smartphone, create an account, and it's just going to send you some random text messages. And you do not have to reply. They're just some random numbers and messages, and you can even delete them once received, but you will still get paid for receiving those text messages, so there is no work because all you have to do is just own a smartphone and receive text messages, and you do not have to do anything else. Just sign up, and that's all you need to do on Money SMS. Every single day they will be sending you new text messages, and for each text message you receive, you are going to get paid. So you guys can go to their website and read more about how this all works. And as you can see, this app currently only works for Android, but keep watching this video because the next apps will work for both Android and iOS. But I'm curious guys, I am pretty sure that most of you watching right now are using their phones to watch me on YouTube. So which mobile device are you using? Is it an Android or an iOS device type? Leave your answers down below in the comments section. You just need to install Money SMS to get paid for receiving SMS text messages, and this is 100% secure because Money SMS does not read any of your private messages or use any data. They will only read their text messages. Now, a ton of people are loving Money SMS because as you see here, it's automatic. So you can earn money with Money SMS passively without any active actions required from your side. And they also have a very nice referral program where you can earn up to 30% of your referral's earnings. So if you refer a friend to Money SMS and they sign up and download Money SMS, when they start making money, so let's say they make about $100, you will get $30 for absolutely free. And it's completely passive and will last you your full lifetime. So there's a lot of different ways to earn yourself some passive income with Money SMS, and again, this app is 100% free. You will not have to pay for anything or provide any kind of investments or engagement. It will stay free forever, and you can learn more about how it works here on their website. Basically, all you have to do is download the app and receive automatic text messages, and you'll get paid. If you scroll down here, you'll find some screenshots of how it looks like inside the dashboard, and this is what it's going to look like once you install Money SMS. And as you can see, this is what your referral code is going to look like, which you're going to share with your friends or maybe even post it on your social media like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Down here, you can find this question: are we a scam or legit? If you keep reading, we can see that at Money SMS, we take all the necessary measures to ensure that we comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. If you are not sure whether we pay our users, you can check the proof of payments of many of our users on an independent website. Now, if we click on this check ranking and reviews button right here, we can see that it has a high rating and it's verified as legit. Now, the text app you guys can use to make yourself some passive online income is called Cash Magnet. Now you guys can very quickly head on over to Cash Magnet by clicking on the address bar of your web browser and typing in cashmagnetapp.com. Now basically what you're going to do here is similar to Money SMS because you are going to install this app onto your Android device. Once again, this app will only work for Android devices, but stay tuned because the final app that I will show you works for both Android and iOS. So if you have an iOS device, keep watching. And it's also the app that will pay you $600. So as you guys can see here on their website, get money from your Android phone. They pay for every minute of your time when you do nothing. So with this app, you have to do nothing. And they have the largest payments because Cash Magnet has all the best reward programs in one place. So Cash Magnet is going to pay you way more than Money SMS. So the order in this video is going from the lowest paying app to the highest paying one because the last app that I will show you will pay you $600. So make sure to stick around. You can read more about Cash Magnet right here. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in a passive way. You can still be sleeping or going out on a vacation or whatever you do, like going to your job, and you will still get paid for just installing this app. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash Magnet and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of their satisfied customers use it. So you can buy yourself a new phone after 2 months only using Cash Magnet, so it's safe. They guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any harmful way. So down here you can find out more about Cash Magnet in the frequently asked questions section. So if you click on this, what is Cash Magnet? We can see it says it is an Android app that will allow you to earn extra income while you are not using the phone. So you can just leave your phone and just have the Cash Magnet app installed in your phone and you will be making passive income. And again, you do not have to do anything. You can even install this app on another phone if you don't want to use your main one. So if you have an old device in your house laying around, well, you can install this app on it and you'll still be able to make passive income without even using it. Wait, before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that here at EarnPal we post videos about how to make money online every single day. The goal of our channel, like always, is to help you guys make a passive income from online. We put a lot of efforts into these videos, so please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, leave a like and comment down below because that helps us tremendously. Now, let's get back into the video. So right here is the final app which you can use, and this app will pay you $600 for absolutely nothing. Now the name of this app is Current. You can very quickly head on over to Current by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in current.us. And as you can see here, this app is both available for iOS and Android devices. So you can head on over to Google Play Store or the App Store and download Current. With Current, you're going to get paid just by listening to music. You're going to earn more points the more you play. So basically in your free time, you're going to get paid by just listening to music. So you can do this while you're meditating, jogging, or even before you go to sleep. So you can search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations. You can find your favorite songs and listen to them and you'll get paid for doing it. Now, you don't have to listen to some random rapper from SoundCloud that you don't even like, but you can listen to music you enjoy and then get paid for doing it. Almost everybody nowadays listens to music every single day, and now you can get paid for doing it. As you can see here, earn points by playing your favorite music. Now, if you scroll down here, Current is available in many countries, and if you click on this, you will see that there is a long list of countries where you can install this app, and chances are your country is included in this list as well. Now, before we continue on with the video, I'm curious as to which country are you guys watching from? Leave a comment down below. So again, the name of this app is Current, and you can head on over to this website by typing in current.us. If you are using a mobile device, you can head on over to either Google Play Store or App Store and search for Current and look for a logo that looks like this. All you have to do now is download all those apps I mentioned earlier and watch as you start making passive income from them. And that is the end of today's video. Before we go, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content on this channel. And do not forget to press that like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I will see you guys tomorrow for a new video.